Okay, next another box sa katabongan. This time I'm gonna give you a song by Bonnie Tyler. And requested over by myself. And this song goes to myself. Kaya nag-away na sila. Thank you tayo, buti na lang nandiyan ka.
Tagapalakpak.
Okay, walang request?
Wala. Bakit mo na yung request?
Baka meron kayong gusto.
Baka may nagsa-celebrate po dyan.
Ng birthday.
Kamatayan.
Anniversary.
Babaluksa.
Oh.
Ba't sino namatay? Birthday?
Birthday.
Asan? Sino may birthday? Tatay? Okay, birthday ni nanay!
Hindi niya alam, birthday niya!
Tatay! Namimiss mo na ba yung kanta ko? Yung birthday song? birthday? Eh? Ano daw? Tay, saan ka man nandun?
Diyan ka na
na
lang.
lang. Wherever you are there.
Yeah, don't forget to wash your...
Okay, Tay, sige. Kasi namimiss mo na to. Ito na. Kaya mo papasipra namin to sa sa grupo ko. And a 1, and a 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. This is your last birthday. Kukunin ka na ni Lord. Ayan tayo ha. O bakit kayo tumatawa? Bagong-bago yun. Number 1 sa Tagupan. It's already out in all wet markets and drugstores.
Nationwide.
And it's only 3 for 100.
Hardware yan, tsaka bakery.
3 for 100 lang yan. Okay. Ano ako yan? Pero ako. Ano daw? Ano? Eh?